Hi, in this video we are going to check the third tab on the settings, that is network and internet. That includes Wi-Fi, VPN, mobile hotspot, airplane mode, proxies, dial-up and advanced network settings. We can simply go to our start menu, go to settings. Here we'll see the third tab is our network settings. Under network, it shows if I'm connected to a Wi-Fi or any LAN, local area network. What are the properties? It's 2.4 gig or it is 5 megahertz, 2.4 megahertz or 5 megahertz, gigahertz, sorry. Data usage, how much data I have used and which app has used data. I can even enter limit for every app, either by month or by app. Next, we go to Wi-Fi settings. Once you click Wi-Fi settings tab, we have first Wi-Fi on or off. If you switch it off, it will be disconnected and all settings will be disabled. Next, we have our Wi-Fi that is connected. It shows connect automatically. It is a public network or a private network. You can configure firewall to this. If you click yes, it will take you to open the firewall settings. That is a totally Windows security app. That is a totally different area. We'll go through this app in another video. But here you can set up your firewall under firewall and network protections. Here you can see it is firewall is active. Firewall is on the all the networks, but currently our active network is public network. You can see all these settings. IP is DHCP. I will explain these settings later. Plus, I won't like to scroll down as it will show my IP and other stuff, the sensitive information like Ethernet address. Next, we have VPN. VPN is a virtual private network. We can connect to a VPN if you would like. You can, if you have settings, a built-in one, or you can name the connection, provide the IP address and the username and password. Once you click save, you can directly connect to that VPN. You can allow VPN over metered networks and allow VPN while roaming. So it will not turn off the VPN. If you don't want the VPN, you can turn it off. I'm not using any VPN. I'm not doing any stuff on this PC for now. Next, we have mobile hotspot. Whatever the Wi-Fi or Ethernet I have, I can turn it on and I can send broadcast signals. This will be name of my Wi-Fi and this will be the password that is available, whatever the available network is, band is available. I can even set things up. I can change the network. I can change the band that we just discussed, 5 gigahertz or 2.5 gigahertz, and I can even rename that. Share Wi-Fi over Wi-Fi, or you can choose Bluetooth, or if you are connected to Ethernet, it will show the settings. After hotspot, we'll disable that. We have airplane mode. I will not enable it. If you enable airplane mode, it will turn off all the communications to and from your system. Proxy. Proxy is the server that we use for Wi-Fi or Ethernet. It automatically detects the settings. If you have the script, you can set up a special script. If we'll do that in our one of our upcoming network courses. If you enable it and add the script address, you can start using it, or even you can set up a manual. If you don't have a script, you can connect. So what basically happens if you use proxy, turn on, your system will connect to another Wi-Fi or another network, and this system will be secured. your system will connect using this IP to the internet. Next, we have dial-up. This connection, I believe, is obsolete. Nobody is using these anymore, but this settings come up because still some companies, some organizations, or some places, we do have the need for this. That is why people can connect to their workplace, click next, enter the details how they are going to connect via VPN or via direct dial connection. These days, almost everywhere in the world, people have Ethernet or fiber optic. People don't use a dial-up connection anymore unless it is needed. Maybe some, I think, maybe some old companies or old school scripts, they might be using it. Advanced network settings. In this setting, we can see the details, whatever Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or if we have any Ethernet network connection working. You can simply click and see the details. These are live details, what I'm connected on. Bluetooth also, if I have any device connected. Next, we have advanced sharing settings. We can, on public network, we can turn network discovery is off, file and printer sharing is off. This should remain off for public networks. Yes, on private networks, you can keep it on, but with authentication. For all networks, what should it do? It should allow file sharing. Public folder sharing is disabled. File sharing only on encrypted over encrypted connection and with a password protected files. Next, we have in after advanced sharing, we have usage data. Data usage, as we have seen before, we can enter a limit for 1 month, unlimited, or for one time. When this data is used, the system will stop using this Wi-Fi connection what we are using currently. Hardware and connection properties. You can see all the hardware and connection properties here. And last is network reset. We can reset our network. If you click reset, all of, I will not click yes, all of our network settings, VPN, everything that we have connected will be uh, disabled and it will be enabled again as a factory reset settings. Thank you very much for watching this. In next video, we'll move through our next options.